I'm up here at Vereda Toldas. Here, this is Rio Negro. Wow. From up here on the hilltop here, not the mountaintop, just the hilltop. It's a beautiful view. It really is. I'm enjoying it. Let's keep going. Buenos días. Oh, this is a beautiful view. This is Altos de la Manantial. They're making a project here with lots, and down there is Guarne. Somewhere down there, I don't know where. The highway's down there somewhere, so I'm gonna go start doing downhill now. It's downhill time. Oh, I'm laughing at myself because I went all the way back to this. This is not the Medellin-Bogota highway. It's all the way down that way, and I had already passed through here before because I had gone from where I live in Guarne all the way up in the mountains. I had gone all the way on the Medellin-Bogota highway towards Rio Negro, and then I went up, as you saw, Toldas, and then right there is the Hare Krishna temple up there. They have a right there, Truli. Let me see if I can zoom in. And it's kind of like abandoned, like some of the things they have in India. And I just came down this thing, and well, I wanted to do a lot of exercise and explore, and I got lost, and that's all good. Let's keep going. I'm just remembering the Eddie Murphy skit. I got a 3-scoop cone of ice cream, 3 scoops of ice cream cone, yellow fruit, red fruit, and chocolate, and then I should have just parked my bike first against the wall, but I didn't, and then it dropped, and you can see the evidence there. And it hit the floor, 2 scoops, the 2 top scoops. I looked at it and saw that it wasn't dirty or whatever, so I just did the Eddie Murphy thing and picked it up. I say, because they were laughing at me. I don't know if anybody was laughing at me, but in the joke, Eddie Murphy, like, you can't have none, you can't have none, when he was saying to his friends or whatever, and then he dropped it on the floor, and then they started laughing at him, and then he looked at the ice cream cones, the 2 scoops or whatever it was, picked it up, kissed it up to God, and say, hey, and he ate it anyhow. That's what I'm doing. And I just finished, and this was my prize, and I wasn't going to let my prize go to waste. And if it kills me, well, whatever. I really love mountain biking, and that's what I'm doing today. From where I live up to this point, it's about 22 kilometers. I don't know how many miles. Can't remember. Just divide 22 kilometers by 1.6 or 1.7, and you get the miles. I'm enjoying life, and until I get an action camera or get my GoPro 10 fixed, if it's fixable, I'm just gonna be doing this. But I can't be filming with this phone while I'm riding because I would be using one hand only. And then in the past, when I did that before with the GoPro 5, they didn't have video stabilization, or with my phone, I fell a couple of times and really banged up myself a bit and hurt for days and a couple of weeks on another occasion. So I'm not going to do that. Just like this lady is riding a little kid on the motorbike, I'm not going to be doing those kind of dangerous things. But hey, this is Marinilla. That's what it says right there. Restaurante Marinilla. El Marinillo, digo. Si quieren comer por aquí, vengan bien puedan. Hay de todo. If you guys want to come here, by all means, come. There are plenty of good things. It's a Friday morning. It's around 9:15 a.m. It's a very nice town. I've made a video about this before. If you ever want to look it up, maybe I'll just leave it at the end of this thing. And there's going to be several clips from different days that I'm riding on different occasions. Well, I'm about to have my little snacks. That's not Gatorade, it's just water with some of that hydration powder in it. That one's tangerine, but I got the red one. Before was cherry, half of one I had left, a banana, tangerine, and 2 chocolate Oreo cookies. And the old boys were just hanging out here. The old boys hanging out talking here in town, having the smoke. Not me, them. And look, it's beautiful. I love Colombia, I really do. Colombia is a great place to be, and I'm proud. Well, I'm very happy that I've been living here for over 26 years, and I don't aim to change that. It's funny how this old man is trying to sell this other old man a watch, saying it's an original Boulevard worth $1,000 and some change, and the other one. And it's funny listening to their interaction. They're just he's looking at it, telling them it's an original, and it's all life. Oh well, and just places we always visit, and everything is always good to see life the way it's happening, and all that good stuff. Wait a minute. I'm doing a mountain bike video where I'm just visiting places, but I'm not riding a bike because I got my smartphone here, and I got confused. This is concrete jungle hiking, not mountain biking. Back to the MTB video. Some of the beauties you get to see when you're mountain biking, whether it's on the paved road or off-road, is these classics that they have here for sale at this place, a Land Rover, an old one. Wow, that's one of the long ones. That Ford F100 right over there, white and red with the white wall tires. This old Volkswagen Beetle, a Chevy over there, another Chevy, and I don't remember what this is right here. It looks like a Chrysler because of the crown thing. Wow, Great Britain. I guess that vehicle made it to Great Britain and to Germany before they retired it, and all of that good stuff. One life, live it. That's the message. And that is the message. One life, live it responsibly. Let's go back to mountain biking, but I'm not doing anything yet because it's on my smartphone, and I don't have a mount for that, and plus the stability would be let's keep going. I'm gonna end this video with all the wind and all right here. Remember, I'm doing this on my smartphone, and my GoPro is in the shop. It's on the waiting list. Right now, today is April 13th, Sunday, 2025. So hopefully, maybe by the end of May or the beginning of June, it should be fixed if they can do it. So for now, I'll still make some videos with the smartphone and stuff like that. So I hope you have enjoyed what I've shown you so far. But I can't be riding the bike and holding the GoPro or a mount because it'll be just bumpy. This phone doesn't have that kind of video stabilization. It's an old phone. It's going on 6 years this October in terms of when I got it.